You jingle and you dangle, you give my life multi-purpose. La 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 la. See you there, just hanging out. I dig your shape. La 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 la. Ooh, yeah, here's a ring I put around you so I can place on my keychain. You got shape, you got specialty, really special to me. Right there whenever I need a mini screwdriver or a beverage top opener. And did I mention your need extension lets me rotate different socket sizes? It's like I won all of life's prizes. Keychain multi-tool, I'm a fool for you. La, 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 la. Keychain multi-tool, what you need? A mini razor or a knife?
I got you.
A micro set of pliers?
I got you.
Stainless steel or titanium? Baby, or platinum? What is this feature for? I don't know. It looks like a mini crowbar. Keychain multi-tool. Lightweight and compact, you'll attract my eye, and to you I always bring out so I can be prepared and ready for when life throws anything at me. I know what to do. I can reach on my keychain and pull out you, and everyone can look at us and be jealous. Look at them, so prepared. That multi-tool is so cute, it's not fair. My keychain multi-tool, you got the right part to pick the lock of my heart. La 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 la. Keychain multi-tool, what you need? A mini pair of tweezers, I got you. A file for your nails, I got you. Stainless steel or titanium? Baby, or platinum? What is this feature for? I don't know. Looks like a mini crowbar. Keychain multi-tool. And no matter where I go, wherever we drive, I know that I got you there for me and for you. I'm a fool. Keychain multi-tool. Keychain multi-tool.
What you need?
A mini pair of wire cutters.
I got you.
A compass helps you wander.
I got you.
Stainless steel or titanium? Baby, any type you're platinum. And what is this feature for?
I don't know.
I don't know. Looks like a mini crowbar. Keychain multi-tool. Department of Songs got the right tool for your heart, and you don't even have to put us on your keychain. But you can, if you wanna. All the gadgets, screwdrivers, knives, bottle openers. Everything. Everything.